So I know it's been a while. I haven't did a video. Nobody really tell you basically how expensive it is to furnish it and everything. And I just been like in a mood. Anyways, I am here. I will get on camera. I'm looking a mess, but I'm here with some home decor finds. Now, Kiki, this is a lunchbox. This ain't no home decor. To me, it is. If you didn't know, I'm a lover of Edgar Allan Poe, the person that got me into poetry. Every time I go to the smoke shop, I see this. Don't ask me what I'm getting, but I be getting hookah stuff, y'all. Don't come for me. But I finally got this today, and this is going to go on my stand that I made. The one that's like a restoration hardware dude. Yeah, he fits perfectly. Y'all gonna be like, that's weird, but don't worry about it. It's your home decor. You can do what you want to do. Cutting board. If you're not new, you know I am obsessed with cutting boards. I got this one from Home Goods. This one, hopefully y'all can see, that was $12.99. All of the cutting boards I get from my Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I actually use to cook with. So I just clean them and sanitize them. This from Home Goods. This one, Home Goods starting to up their prices. So this one originally is $50, but I got it for $39, $40. It's pretty heavy. Like, when I saw it, I knew I liked it, but when I saw the price, I was like, but then I lifted, I was like, oh, it got some weight to it. Now, I don't know if I like this gray. Y'all know I'll spray paint something in a minute. I've already been thinking about spray painting this. Not my color. Y'all know I spray paint everything black, but I'm thinking actually white. So, from the antique store, I like that it's broken. Like, I like all this. Basically like a clay, I guess, well, it is a clay pot. And it doesn't sit, ooh, you'll see that? It's scary. I kind of like that it don't sit straight, but it's a little scary. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna spray paint this. I already knew I was gonna spray paint this, probably a white or black. I'm thinking white. Y'all probably like, white girl, what's wrong with you? We already know you do black. I don't know, but that's definitely going to get some paint on it. Now, my lover. Oh, my love. I'm trying to get the full view. Let me see if I can get the full view. Like, I can't even give y'all the full view. I'm going to have to pick up the camera. I'm going to have to pick up the camera, so it might be a little shaky. Oh, I dropped the mic. So, don't pay attention to the back. I paint. So, anywho, I've been looking. Now, if you are not new to my channel, you know I am obsessed with cutting boards. I guess they consider this a breadboard. It's all the same to me. I have been looking for a very, very long one. The antique shop had this for $125. You might be saying, damn, $125? I said the same thing. But I knew, like, I stood there. I walked around the entire place, came back. I stood there for maybe 15 minutes, just standing, because they had it on the table. I posted a picture on how they had it. But, yeah. And I was like, you know what? You might as well get it, because every time I really like something, I regret it. I go back, and it's gone. And she said they actually just put this out. So, yeah. I'm pretty sure I am not going to leave it this color, because I'm actually going to put it underneath this. I got a video of this. I'm most likely going to post a video after I post this of how I did this. I did this pop myself. But, yeah. I already know it's going to go on this dining room table. I already know that. But I know this light color clash with it, so I might stain it like a darker brown. I don't know. But yeah. But this is a quick little find. I'm also going to do an Amazon finds because I love these little candlestick holders I got from Amazon. These are on my kitchen table as well. My kitchen table look a mess because, yeah, I just put everything up here. But y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you. Y'all already know. Tell a friend to bring a friend so we can all be friends. Can y'all hear me? My camera's doing this thing. But basically, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Also, if you're looking for work from home jobs, I do have another page. Basically, look at everything in the description box. And yeah, stay with your girl.